And good morning. Welcome back to the Vietnam motorbike trip. So, had a wonderful little stay in this homestay last night. They did have a dinner last night, but it started so late, and I sort of ate a late lunch, early dinner. I'm almost all packed up. Going to go check out, take a slightly different route on the way back. Try to stay on the road with all this wind. Maybe this is just localized, and once I get away from it, but it is very windy. I mean, it's howling even to the room. So it should be a very interesting ride on the ride back. Maybe it'll be a little cooler because it was hot yesterday. I think the route says 88 kilometers. Even though I guess it was the same distance yesterday, it did not feel that like it took that long. It was a pleasant ride. And we'll get on the road, get packed up, and I'll see you out there in this crazy wind.
Now it's funny, yesterday it seemed like a headwind the whole way. And today it does too. It was like, really? It's sort of like if you ever owned a sailboat. If you've ever owned a sailboat, you know no matter where you're going, it's a headwind. It's like these are the prevailing winds. It blows with you 90% of the time until you leave the dock. And then it just stops. I think the same thing applies to motorcycles. Very pretty. Yes. This must be the more popular route for maybe Westerners going out of Cao Bang City. It's more the main road, let me put that. Beautiful area. Maybe written one of those PG ones or even a proper dirt bike, like dual sport. Okay, about 15 kilometers out. Yeah, 16 kilometers out. Just took a little break. Final stretch. Pleasant ride today. Pretty scenery. Crazy wind. Here now that I'm going to coming into Cao Bang. Came in the same way that I left the city. I don't know where I'm supposed to park this scooter, but I'm about to pop up on this curve.
Okay, I checked into the Cove Hotel. Yeah, Cove Hotel. I think that's the name of it. Anyway, yeah, it sits right on the riverfront. I thought it is right down from the other hotel, but it's on the entrance faces the opposite side. Let me put it that way. So, yeah, here all checked in. They was able to check me in. Let's take a look at the room. Of course, the link will be in the description. Got 2 beds, you know. Got lots of company if needed. We can accommodate. And got the sink that's outside the bathroom. Typical bathroom. Got a TV. I don't think I've ever turned the TV on in any of these places. Anyway, let's do a little bed check here and see how soft it is. It's soft. I'd say a medium firm mattress. I think a nice shower would do me some good, and I'm gonna go find some lunch. So, can't decide if I'm gonna go get the oil change today or right before I leave tomorrow, I'm gonna pop out and get it done. Usually it only takes them about 15 minutes, so it's not like a great ride today. Fast, very windy, threw the bike every which way. The plan is to head out towards the lake. So tomorrow I'll evaluate how I feel when I get up. Head out towards BB Lake. I keep saying BB. It is BB. I don't know. I can't check the map. It's a lake resort area. Head there. Maybe stay 2 days. Maybe stay 1. I don't know. I'll play it by ear when I get there. And then after that, it will be a 2-day drive down into Hanoi. Get out there and enjoy yourself. Do this trip if you can. It's well worth it. You don't have to do the whole thing, but definitely do the northern Vietnam part. That is the highlight. Get out there and enjoy yourself before you die. You're old. You're probably old watching this. Anyway, if you're young, get out and do it while you're young and able-bodied. It's even better. That's it for me, and I'll see you tomorrow morning.